Hi everyone, I am Sharanya Lekkar from grade 9th of Esnijlingappa International School, Hosturga. Today I am going to tell about the law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be destroyed nor be created but can be transformed from one form to another. So here we see that the energy is same before start and after the ending of the work. It also states that the total amount of energy before and after the transformation of energy is always constant for a body. There are many different forms of energy. For example, thermal energy, heat energy, wind energy, chemical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, and so on. So there are interconversion between one form of energy to another form. So let us see some examples. So here, for example, I have taken a ball. It is present at a certain height from the earth. So the potential energy is the stored energy in this ball. And kinetic energy is absent because it is not moving. When I leave it, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy and it is due to the motion of this ball. One example for the conversion of electrical energy into light and heat energy is the electricity that is stored in the switch is converted into light energy. So the energy stored in this electric circuit, when I switch it on, bulb glows. So this is conversion of electric energy into light energy. Another example for conversion of energy is that electrical energy converting into mechanical energy. For example, when I switch this on, the fan starts to run. In this example, the electrical energy is converted to heat and mechanical energy. Another example for conversion of energy is that when we take in the food has some kind of chemicals. So this chemical energy, it is stored in our body, and when we start to move or when we start for cycling, this chemical energy is converted into either kinetic energy, or when we are at rest the chemical energy is converted into potential energy. Then the burning of a candle, the candle contains some wax and it produces some kinds of chemicals like carbon dioxide. So the wax, this chemical is converted into light and heat energy. Also the solar energy, the energy which we get from the sun, is converted into electrical energy, mechanical energy, and so on. For example, the sun's radiation that we get, the this energy is converted into electrical energy and it is supplied to some lights, and uh, some TVs and refrigerators are also run by this solar energy. And for example, mechanical energy, there have been came many of the cars which run from the solar power. That is, when the sun shines, the panels on the car gets energy stored in it, and when we start the car, it is run by the solar energy.